Hello friends, welcome back. So let's see this. This is popular demanding challenge, okay? So why do I call that? Because it is tricky, all right? Okay. Now let's dive into it. So solution to this. So here is for 332. So we need to work on this for us to arrive at this. So working on this, first of all, we have 4. So we have to square the 4. So squaring 4 means 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is what? 16. We square this as well. 3 squared. This is 3 times 3 and it is 9. All right. Therefore, if I add the two, 16 plus 9, I will have what? 25. That is by the way. Okay. Now, let me pick this and this and add them together. This is 4 plus 3, and this is what? 7. Yes? Okay. Now, let me add these two again. This implies that 25 plus 7 is equals to 32. And that is why we have 32 here. Okay? So that is why we have 32 there. So this squared, we add the two results, then we add this and this ordinarily, then the two results will be added to have what? The final result. So coming to this place here, we don't know what it is. So solution to this, we represent this with x. So let's have x. So if I squared x squared still means x squared. What about here? Here is 17. So 17 squared means 7 squared is 49. Write 9 carry 4. 1 squared is 1. So there is 4 at the middle, right? So 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So we have 8. Then that one plus this one will become 2. Okay. So as we did here, we added these two results. So therefore, s squared plus 289 is equals to s squared plus 289. So this is by the way. So what again do we do? We add this to this and this. We added it here. So here should be x plus 17. This is what? X plus 17. So since we added, we got this, we add these two together. So we need to add these two together, okay? So we are going to have, this implies that s squared plus 289 plus x plus 17 is equals to, all right, so after adding these two, we have 32. So after adding these two, we are going to have 438. So we are supposed to have 438. So our problem now is to find the unknown. Okay, let's collect like terms. Okay, let me start from here. Okay, this implies that s squared plus this x plus 9 plus 7 is 16, right? 6 carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, right? 0 carry 1. So put that one in the third digit, all right? This is what? 3. And this is what? 4, 3, 8. So still on collecting like terms, s squared plus x equals to 438 minus 306. So s squared plus 8 is equals to 8 minus 6 is 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, now we have arrived to a different kind of equation. This type of equation is called quadratic equation because the highest power of the unknown here is 2, all right? So there are different methods for solving quadratic equation, but for the sake of time, we are going to use completing the square method. In completing the square method, we say the coefficient of x, we need to half it, and after halving it, we square it, add it to the left-hand side and to the right-hand side. So here should be s squared plus x plus, what is coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x here is 1. So if I divide 1 by 2, I will have 1 over 2. Then I'll have to square it. Okay, add it here. This is equals to 132 plus 1 over 2 all squared. What I did here is what I did here. Okay, so let me divide it and start from here. Okay, so here this part is a perfect square, so let me pick this and pick this. That here will be x plus 1 over 2 all squared is equal to 132. So 1 over 2 all squared will be plus 1 over 4. So I can make this one to be a fraction, okay? So this can be x plus 1 over 2 equals to, LCM of 4 and 1 is what? 4. 1 divide 4, 4. 4 times 2, I'm going to have 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Right, 2 carry 1. 4 times 4 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then plus, all right, so plus 4 divides 4. 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay. Maybe let me begin from here. Okay. I'm starting from here. So x plus half. Okay, all of them squared, please. So x plus half here, x plus half all squared is equals to 528 plus 1 is 529 over 4. Okay, we have square here. So to counter this, we square root both sides. So we need to square root both sides, square root both sides. So this square root we cancel square. X plus half will then come out. This is equals to what is square root of 529 23 over square root of 4 is 2. Okay, all right. So we are now edging closer to answer. So here is x. We make x the subject. We take this over. So here will be x equals to 23 over 2. Positive half crossing over becomes negative half. So s is equals to LCM of these two denominators are is 2. So 2 divides to 1. 1 times 23. 23 minus 2 divides to 1. 1 times 1. 1. So this is 23 minus 1 is 22 over 2. And what is 22 divided by 2? This is what? 11. So S is supposed to be 11. Okay. Then let's check whether what you have is correct. So here, okay, let's put it here. Let's check. Check. So here is 11 squared. 11 squared is 121. And 17 squared is what? 289. Okay, if we add these two together, here is 0, 10, 11. Put down, here is 4, 4, 10, okay? So let's add these two again. 11 plus 17. 11 plus 17, here is 28. If we add these two, will that give us this? Okay, let's check. We're adding now. 0 plus 8 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. We bring down 4. So it gave us this. So we are correct. All right. So this is the method to find this. All right. Okay. In this case, we need to find this and we need to find this. Thanks for being there and bye for now.